Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel Lemon Cone. Today we are making chicken tandoori club sandwiches. Get ready to indulge in layers of joy. Stay tuned for the yum. First filling. Start by marinating small sized chicken pieces with a blend of ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, salt, red chili powder, paprika powder, garam masala or whole spices masala, orange food color, lemon juice, oil, and yogurt. Let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes, allowing the spices to infuse and create a burst of flavors. After 30 minutes, toss the marinated chicken into a pan and cook it to tender and dry. Now let it cool down. But we are not done yet. Prepare another filling. Take 2 hard-boiled eggs, cut it into small pieces, and do the same with the large boiled potato. Mix them with salt, black pepper, mayonnaise, and mustard paste. It's completely optional. Now grab 4 bread slices, trim their edges. Then take some butter on a grill pan and toast them to enhance the flavor. Now for the exciting part, line up the slices and spread ketchup, mayonnaise, and a touch of mustard paste on them. Place the marinated chicken on the first slice, adding a refreshing layer of lettuce and cucumber. On the third slice, layer the egg and potato mixture. Then cover it with the fourth slice. Carefully stack the layers. Press gently and slice right down the middle. And there you have it, the chicken tandoori club sandwiches are ready to grace your plate. A symphony of flavors, layers, and texture await in every bite. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes. Hit that notification bell so you never miss the delicious update. Until next time, keep cooking and keep smiling.